Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a holiday card. So let's begin by mentioning the things you cannot do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the only two things here that you cannot change is the gold brush stroke that you see here and the gifts at the bottom of the template. Everything else can be changed. Let's change the color of the background. You can also change the color of the text, the size, and select a different font type. And that goes for all the text that you see here. To change the text, just double click and start typing whatever information you would like. You have the back of the card here. You can change the font type, the size, and the color. To edit, just double click and start typing. The social media icons here, the color cannot be changed. Let's remove the placeholder and upload our logo. So here my logo has a transparent background, so it's gonna blend in with any color I choose for the background color. If your logo has a color background, what you want to do is select elements, go to the section frames, select the circle, click on your logo and drag. Now your logo is gonna be able to blend in with the template. You have your Spanish template below and your social media icons. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.